y'all one more video and then I got to go to my YouTube channel. So, how do you cook your biscuits? You know, everybody got different home remedy they use. Like, I just put some butter in the bottom of my pan and baste it real good. And y'all know I got a big family, so it's only 10 biscuits. Hopefully it do the job. I also got toast for those who want toast. We can have bacon, egg, toast, and biscuits for breakfast. You gotta eat. So tell me how y'all bake y'all biscuits down. Me, use a little butter. Y'all pull it like this. See? Boom. Biscuits on there now. Throw them in now. And I put my oven already on 350. Getting ready to make these biscuits. I wish we had a longer time on the reels when we make our videos, but y'all get the picture. And then I just hit it with a little 1, 2, 3, you know, a little butter, and then I just put in the oven, and voila, you got biscuits. All right, this